This is Jamaican Spiderman and today we are in Port Antonio. As you can see, make sure to like, subscribe and watch the full video. Cool? Zin? That is it. Let's go. We're gonna roam the streets. Forward. That is it. First place we are going through the pier. So I think I left here so. Take you going in the streets in the town, you see it? Right in the center. Hey Rasta, my half a bus are flicking up. Come in now. Give me one now. You can't do it. Two see man. Worry yourself. It's a forward you know. One day. Hey, breeze nice around here still, you know. Breeze nice. Nah, lie. Feel good. If you have a girl, this is a nice place to carry her. Yeah, man. Let's go. Forward. I have to swing upon that, you know. But no. Why? Nah, swing upon nothing, boy. Yeah. I'll go and make it up. Yes, sir. Come here, me then, man. Forward, man. Come in, my boss. Big up. You good?
Yeah.
All right, my boss. All right, I'll come Oh my God, you look like you're sick, boy. You look like you're sick Spiderman.
Spiderman time.
No, stop. Stop it. Stop it.
Sure we
All right, calm down. Just who see you, man. Don't worry yourself. Why phone in I'm hearing you know. Remember my sense is active you know. Burn off, none of that. You hear that? Oh what? Slow there. Left on fire. Lord God, TikTok. Tap up the screen. What me say? TikTok. Tap up the screen. Port Antonio over there you know. I walk through here. Forward. That's your marker, sir. That's your favor me. Oh God. Where's Spiderman? I don't see him. When there? Alright, let me get up. I don't want no rat attack me. Oh God. Outside. One more.
Batman.
No man, you're nasty good. You need glasses. We are gonna get you one glasses, you hear? Spider! We're not dealing with the bat round here, so. Alright. Nah. Sometimes I wonder, and which cartoon some of them people I watch? Which cartoon I watch? Oh, me look like Batman. That don't make no sense. What go on? Backflip?
Yeah.
I'm going to reach where you're there. I'm going to reach where you're there. Hold on. You see me on TikTok?
Yeah.
Well, you're there on TikTok too. TikTok there.
You and
Black Panther.
Yeah.
We'll put your back flicks. Ready? There we go. Whoop. Outside. What happened? I can't teach you that now, my boss. You hear? Yeah, come sit down right there. Oh shit. Literal shit, look. Literal shit. You're not sure. You see, cameraman, what about literal shit? Good shit. No, man, you're not see good either. Let me look.
Ah, see it there now.
You see it? Alright, there we go. Right? This big building right here, we call it Farming Building. Yeah? This is our mall in Port Antonio. Yeah? Come on, let's go. We are safe we still. Oh, that's what it is. You see round here, so? Round here, so, at the bus park. You know? Yeah. Sometimes we have police, you know, I stop car and give them ticket, all of them little thing there. But you know you go? Yeah, right.
Spiderman!
Yeah, man. They borrow on the job today. Don't worry about yourself.
Spiderman!
You give them a ticket, man.
Can you do this?
No, I can't do this. Yeah. Come over here.
Spider!
Can't save nobody, we save ourselves. Alright, this right there. That's the way you think. This is a Jamaica Spiderman. Me come first. Everybody else come second. Yeah. Mila.
Do something now. Do something. Bust something.
Spiderman.
No, we're not ready to do that. I'll later that.
No, man, you're Spiderman, man. Run up in our tree, man. I'm kind of Spiderman.
Eh? Pick up my car? No, 100,000. That's all like hospital bill, my boy. No man, 1,000 I can't pay.
Alright, Spiderman.
Yeah man, bless it.
Bless it.
You don't even know how to talk to me, but big up. Party Things Express right there, so. Where you go? No bother price. I love ghost. Oh, we are going to forward. Forward.
Come here, son!
May I get free party? Yeah, may I get free party? Hey, what go on? You be talking to me, you know. May I get free party? Why you want to come down there, sir? Eh? No, a JPS work that my boss. JPS don't want to pay me for climb, so I'm not climb. See free. That is it. Come true. Ilangoli rido, Ilangoli rido, Ilangoli, and then you bend up. Oh, yeah, this yeah, see this yeah? Yeah man. It's a Piggy's jerk center, right? That's all like jerk chicken and everything there, you know. We don't want dead, so we have to carry them past. We can walk on that side, man, forward. One thing we notice, the hot girl ever hide from camera like they not have makeup. One thing we don't understand. We have a pizza corner right there, so. Yeah. Right, okay. I think that place are recent. This is just far in our street. That place is new. You see how the town empty? The town empty because nobody has no money to buy nothing. You see, Pre? You see what I go on? And that I go on that place now? Yeah, for real.
Yeah, what's Spiderman? Give me something, man.
I go on, boss. Good. And you are where they are foreign, you're going to jail.
Today I watch all that live.
Then I play. Ah, that is it. Take up that.
Spiderman!
Hello there. Got you. I make yourself look like prison. I want to go on yourself. Oh, go on, mommy, you like my body? Nice and comfortable. Yeah, man.
Yo, what's a flick?
What's a flick? What's a flick? Hold on, we are clear up in here, no? Ah, we can't do that. We are go, so. We are go. That's space, my boss. Watch out these civilians, you know. Yes. Yes, it can work, Yes. What about?
No more.
That man look for me, so. Oh, my favor Spiderman, that's obvious. What else you have to say? You can't see me. I know me look good, my body nice. What's the problem? Just say I love you and done. Come here. Them try to be pasty sometime and so them behave, you know. Yeah. Alright, so watch out. What go on, moment? Stop this. What? Yeah, come.
Spiderman.
Easy, man. What go on to me an idea, yeah? Man, them are move Gigi, man. Easy now, man. Hey, go. We have a panel room.
Alright.
We are doing normal like everybody do, no? Public. Easy now, man. Easy.
Where black
Jamaican Spiderman, big up. Blessing.
Spiderman!
Yeah?
Spiderman, run up on the wall. You're supposed to skill by this, you know.
What we have a skill? I easy thing that my bad. 1, 2, 3.
So, Kauda.
I say buy like goody them, you know. Big up in the room. Big up yourself. One thing. Easy with the game, don't go bad. I'll show you a style. Hold on, cause style. Style can't big up.
Well, I mean, man, you know you have to make a cappuccino, you have to give you a one sec, you have to make a cappuccino. Give you one sec.
Watch out.
Alright, video man, yo. Style. Let's see you tell you the first time. Chop it down.
Blessings, big up, come here. I want to get something. You want to get something, Mom? Now you want homework, you hear? That's it? No. Yeah. No, I'm free. Big up yourself. You want to see a preview?
Yeah.
Mom says she wants a preview, you know. Yes. So that a float, we are floating a, that is a beer biscuit meat, that's what. Come true. It's a question. The girl them hotter than the sun? Eh? We have to go find out. Pow. We don't now make up in the mind, man. We don't now make up in the mind. Come. Wow. Talk to me.
So then why you care about a car park by here?
Nice guy, no, that's not like Superman, my boss.
Spiderman in a free.
Oh, that's a tall building. Sorry, the government now work good enough for have tall building. Yeah, sleep on them, they're too small, 2 stories. Let me do one backflip for you. Come. You could make it hell that fast. You don't really want to step back. See? Yo. Hey.
Irish man.
Spiderman.
Good. Make sure you subscribe to the channel Jamaican Spiderman on YouTube. I'm going to do this in every parish. Let's go. Forward. I got KFC very cheap in there. Mama! Mama! I like the color we have on. I like the color we have on. You hear? Hear them, son. Carry them and kill me, dog. You carry them and kill me, my boss. I don't want to lick me down. You see? Too much car, dog. Too much car, pass, man. Ah, go over there, so hold on. Easy now. That's it, bigger. Now, when the brakes are not me, I want to reach up there, man.
Spiderman.
No problem, I don't have a problem with that. Come out the way, let the guy pass. No problem. What? Guy? I'm with the Ross. Anyways, I want the Rasta an idea. Man say you don't know what guy is. I know a man from a woman. So I don't understand. So, TikTok, big up on yourself. Yeah, when you go on top of the screen, I'm there in my place. Port Antonio, yeah?
Let's see these guys.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Thank
Good?
you.
Alright, you're welcome. Let's go. This is KFC. This is where all the rich people hang out. You see it? Yes, every Friday and Saturday, everybody's on spend them here over here. Eh? No, stairs to take, you know. Stairs to take. What's on? Big up.
Spiderman.
Big up, no killer.
Where was it?
The area with family. Nice. Like a slippery boy. I know I know. Power. Draw myself too. Draw myself too hard. They're forward. One more backflip?
Yeah.
Oh God, how much backflip may I have to do?
6.
6?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's too much. Oh, may I do one? One man. YouTube page in Jamaican Spiderman, you hear? Son of me away.
The Spiderman, you think you must have one?
Yeah, dog. Rough. Need a AC nice suit right now. A JPS bill. Where do I go?
I want a Spiderman.
Right now, my boss. Right now. Eh? Yeah, sir. That one. No, we not. You see, this guy have a pocket. Spiderman broke. Spiderman have no money. Government now pay me that in my boss. You know I go.
Man can't solve no crime with government.
Yeah, it's all the time. Easy. Feel like me do nothing. Come here. Come here.
Hi! Big again!
What happened? No, we're not ready for that yet. We need a hospital price. Forward.
Go Spider.
Yes, sir. Yeah, again we're in Port Antonio. Yeah, William Street, I know, you see? Step back, step back. Come on.
Alright, Spider. Alright, Spider. Let down the web there.
Soon we let it go. What are you? Hey, easy now, man. Stir fry, let me juke out your eye. Hey, Josie Patty. Yes, I know. That is it. You see all them places. I hope you're so open there, you know. You know, hope you're so. I saw open there, so. And just look out, so. We are look out for any way money that we can find it. No, how over there, so? How over there? Juicy beef KFC, you tell me now. Stop me, I tell you, you're still a joke. Am I? No. When I have to pay me hospital bill, you think I saw it go? Feel like man invincible or something? I want to take this thing for. A foot will walk pan. Fly for you. So fly for you, mom. It's so forward. Nah, no way to shoot out, man. Eh? You know, I bust a backflip, but I not come for this. Just do it for you, you hear?
Spiderman in a den town again with all his stunts.
Easy, man. Trouble. Hey, that is it. Big up yourself. Come here.
Spiderman enough walk. You have to use the something now, man. Shop it up.
It's who come, yeah? Don't worry yourself. I easy thing that's selling on my bar.
Where should I park?
No, man. That is it. Big up. Big up, my car. Walk. Come here now, man.
Where back man then? Spiderman, where back man?
You know, we are them man, they are no friend, you know.
Oh.
Yeah.
Come on, Spiderman, front door.
Yeah, man.
Spiderman.
Come on, father.
Go on, man. Then I done.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Then I want done.
Longer than my 9.
No parking sign, yeah? Yeah. Them. Can't see them with the big bumper, no parking, yeah? Don't park it up there, so. Harder take, look at the sun, look over there. Yo! It's pretty, isn't it?
Spiderman.
Go on.
Some guys need help down there.
Yeah, we are fine them, man.
You not hot in there?
I am, that's what the girls say. See, I raise master, you know. No, watch out. What kind of camera this? I'm on a video ground, dog.
I take your man, get any man shoot
No, I'm not take. I never say him. I never say she, you know. I say that's what the girl. I never say him. I say the girls, them. I never say her. Alright. Let's make that very clear. Show your water by yourself. See what I'm going. Watch out. By a nice enough show straight down this and back. Yeah. Come back. Hello, I go. No time to take off this now. Oh yes, breathe! Make a video with you. How you doing? You see me on TikTok? That's a Ilang Gully man. Ilang Gully Rhino! Ilang Gully Rhino! And then you bend down low, girl. Ilang Gully. And you bend down low. Ilang Gully. Oh, go on. You have a never seen. What's up? What are you doing?
I want one picture with you.
No problem. Come. You come. You come closer.
Come here, call her.
What birthday girl?
Call her now.
Hey.
Where's that?
Look, she calling you. Come put on my mask. You want to listen to me nice?
Wait, come. Yes, come. Hello, pretty girl, come
Birthday
here.
girl?
Call her back. She's soon come.
Where's the birthday girl? Oh. Come here, birthday girl. Step back. Step back. Come over here. Come over the other side. Yeah. You can't give big smile? Yeah? Alright, we're gonna give a big smile, okay?
No, I don't want
Ready? Cheese! Give a big cheese! Hey! Nice? Alright. There we go. You're welcome, guys. Alright, bye. Huh? Single picture? Come. No problem. Ooh, alright. Alright, birthday girl, you have to go first. Come. You have to go first. Come.
Where next one?
Nice, alright. She come. Alright, go over there, go over there. Stay right.
Whoa! Alright, next person.
Next.
Darling.
Come. Like that one? Yeah? Alright guys. Listen. Feel we hot. Hey, we are gonna jump in at home. Remember? Hello there. Why you laugh like she did? Don't like you have asthma attack. You have asthma pump, you know. Spiderman tired. Spiderman tired.
Tired too.
I feel like I have a cameraman tired too. Cameraman had a hat and I hat him. So you hear me I say? This is the end of the video. This was Port Antonio. I guess up next is we have Natabia Port Marion up next. Is it? So make sure you like, subscribe and share to the page. Is it? Big up.